the number of people who practice chess at the moment?
This, as far as we know, 605 million people, more than 600 people, is practicing chess in the world. With this number, chess is more popular than football, with number of people practicing it.
And another one, there is that Magnus Carlsen. So what do you think on this boy? Something like he's very good in marketing, face, and very good idol for chess.
Magnus Carlsen is the #1 chess player in the world, and 1 month ago he became world champion. And the Magnus Carlsen, with the model, face, image, age, is a great model for the chess to be more popular. I believe he will be more popular than Kasparov very soon in the world.
Do you think Magnus, because Magnus, number of players chess, it will move up?
Of course, Magnus is very young. He is 21-year-old. Therefore, for the young generation, he will be a model. And this is the youngest by the age became world champion. So it's very clear, because of Magnus, more children, especially more girls, will play chess in the future.
Okay, thank you very much.